Hi, welcome to my channel, Be Natural with me. And today I'm going to show you how to make a saffron clear gel. So I visited India, South India some years back, and then from one of the shop I found this saffron clear gel, and I loved it. The results were amazing, but I could never find it again from any of the online shops or anywhere in the US. So finally I decided to did my research on how if I can make it at home. So that's what I'm going to show you. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Thanks. Okay, so I'll go over the ingredients that we would need to make this saffron clear gel. So main ingredient in there will be the aloe vera gel, and the one I'm going to use is 100% gel. You could also use the natural if you make it at home. You can totally use that as well. And then the next is, of course, saffron, and the purest you get, the better it is. I think the way you can tell if saffron is more pure, it should have deep red color to it, and the more red it is, the better, and with little yellow on the sides. And we will need some rose water and vitamin E oil if you have it, or you can use any oil. If you have almond oil, you can use that, even olive oil. And also one of my other favorite oil is the carrot seed oil, so we'll be using that. And I always like to add essential oils, which is totally optional, you don't have to, but I'm planning on using the frankincense and then also some lavender, just to make it a little more fancy. Okay, so let's get started. First I'm gonna take aloe vera gel, which I would need about 2 tablespoons. So let's see, let's get that out. And while I'm getting my aloe vera gel, I want to talk about all the benefits of saffron. So saffron, it's really good if you take it internally. Like, you can always infuse it in the water and drink it. You can have it with the milk. But if it's there's lots of benefits even if you apply it tropically. It helps to slow down aging, it clears your skin, and helps prevent wrinkles. Also, it's really good for if you have acne proof skin. So here we go. I got about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Okay, and then the next thing is you would need is just a pinch of saffron. Again, it's a very expensive spice, but it's really worth it. I mean, it's full of nutrition. So I just took like a pinch, and I have to soak it in a rose water. So just to have it ready. So what I did is, again, I just took a pinch of the saffron and used about a teaspoon of rose water, and I let it soaked in there for about I would say maybe it's been 30 minutes. So 15 to 30 minutes is good. So because it can extract all the nutrition out of there, and I think it's best if you use water. So we're gonna go ahead and just add that in there. Okay. And you can just make sure you get all the strings added on there. And it's gonna also process as we use it. It's gonna keep on doing all the benefits of the saffron. It's gonna be diffused, and when you use it with the rose water, it has a really nice natural fragrance. It already adds up to it. And then next thing, again, I don't use any measurements for the carrot seed oil. Okay, so for the carrot seed oil, again, if you don't have it, it's totally okay. You can use any oil that you have. If you have almond oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, any oil you can use. But carrot seed oil is also another anti-aging oil. It helps to brighten up your skin, even tone. If you have any age spots or acne spots, it's going to really help out. and you just need a very little, again I would say maybe half a teaspoon, and some drops of vitamin E oil, which I would say maybe about 10 drops of vitamin E oil. And the next thing is, again, if you have any essential oils of your choice, it doesn't have to be what I'm using. Again, I have frankincense, which is also extremely good for your skin, so I'm going to use about roughly about 10 drops of that, and lavender oil. Okay, and same thing, I've just used roughly about 10 drops in there, and that's about it. That's all it is. So just give it a good mix, and it just looks so beautiful. Look at the color. Because of the saffron, it's made a very golden, beautiful color. So you can say you use it as a gel, or you can just, you know, use it as kind of like a serum. So either way. And then you just need any empty container. It doesn't and so what I did, I just always recycle my container, so I just washed it and sanitized it really good before. So now I'm just going to transfer that in there. Okay. And there we have it. So this is our beautiful saffron skin brightening anti-aging gel, which works really good. And aloe vera gel has its own benefits itself, and there's it has a long shelf life because we didn't add any water, even though we did add rose water, but the rose water is already preserved. And then everything else, again, doesn't need any extra preservatives. You could use it in the shelf, like on your counter, for it can last you for months. I mean, it won't go bad. And I'll show you kind of like on my hand, once we apply it, and you just, again, even if you have a strand, you just kind of massage it into your skin as much as possible, and it just kind of like all dissolves in, and instantly it will give you a nice little glow. And with the regular use, it's going to help to, it's naturally moisturizing, and it's helping suntan in summer, and just kind of like yeah, as you can tell, it just really goes on smoothly, just like that. And it's probably best if you wash your face and then use a toner, and then use it as kind of like a serum moisturizer. So you could even put extra moisturizer after you put this on if you like, but again, just wash it, tone it, and then you can use that. And so do give this a try. You will love it. It's rare. It's kind of really, it's hard to find it, especially in the US. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and put some comments. Let me know if I welcome any feedback. Thank you.